Victorian arrivals will have to fork out $3,000 for their stay in a hotel. It also means that they are essentially going to be treated like international arrivals here in New South Wales, which must be a pretty bizarre experience for them being Australian citizens. However, we did see a handful of flights yesterday that were actually scheduled to arrive here at Sydney Airport today from Melbourne, but now they have all been cancelled. Clearly, this is a deterrent, the hotel quarantine, putting off a lot of people from making that journey into Sydney. And it is the only gateway now here at Sydney Airport actually into the state, with all roads now closed. There is some more flexibility for border communities. However, it is a pretty dire situation. The government had previously said that they would not be introducing mandatory hotel quarantine for those arriving from Victoria, but the Premier Gladys Berejiklian did backflip on that after a horrific day earlier this week with more than 700 cases in a 24-hour period in Victoria, saying that it now was the time to act. So those new measures came into effect at midnight, and all of this comes as 2 confirmed cases in New South Wales yesterday left a string of venues in Sydney on high alert. Now, those places are Jambo African Restaurant, the Everleigh Hotel, Warren View Hotel, Mary's in Macquarie Place, Cubby's Kitchen, Burrow Bar, Woolworths Marrickville Metro. Further north in Newcastle, a number of venues have also been closed after 2 confirmed cases across that region. It's also seen a spike in queues across the region for people getting testing. Yesterday in New South Wales, we recorded just 12 new cases of COVID-19. Obviously, that is still relatively low. Hopefully today we will see that pattern continue.